Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, in-house overhauling of boiler equipment by the enterprising employees of CPP1 Department of SAIL RSP helps in cost-saving endeavor of the plant. Elocution competition for students conducted by SAIL RSP to mark Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. And in our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav series, today's personality is Navakrishna Chaudhary. And now the news in detail. The enterprising endeavors of the employees of Captive Power Plant 1 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has helped in cost savings effort of the plant. The team comprising Mr. B.K. Nayak, Mr. Satar Purti, Mr. Manoharan Behera, Master Technicians, Mr. Dhananjay Liangi, Mr. Sudesh Mishra, Mr. Bhikari Tirki, Senior Technicians, led by Mr. Nilmar Chandra Parida, GM CPP1, overhauled a high-pressure and temperature steam IBR gate valve of size NB 225 mm using in-house resources. The existing HP steam line valve was having gland leakage and the gearbox assembly had become dysfunctional. It was difficult to operate the valve due to high pressure, high temperature and steam leakage. The team located an old, used and discarded valve which was then inspected and dismantled for further use. The operating gearbox was overhauled, valve seat was polished, damaged thrust bearing was replaced and a new gland packing was provided. All these efforts helped in making it usable again. This helped in arresting the leakage, thereby ensuring safety and bringing about cost savings for the company. In a function held in the department, Mr. B.S. Kartha, CGM Power, felicitated the employees for their innovative and enterprising efforts under the Utkarsh Award scheme of RSP. As a part of the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas observation that was held to commemorate the birth anniversary of Shahid Birsa Munda, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP organized various activities between 15th to 22nd November. In this series, an elocution competition for students was organized by Town Services Education Unit at Ispat English Medium School, Sector 18 for students of RSP run schools on 20th November 2021. Students enthusiastically participated in the elocution competition on the theme Contribution of Shahid Birsa Munda in Indian Freedom Struggle. The competition was conducted in 3 languages, Odia, Hindi and English, in 2 groups, Junior 6 to 8 and Senior 9 to 12. In all, 122 students participated from 14 schools in the Steel Township. The winners in each language of each group will be awarded. The celebration of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas was also observed in Barsua Valley and Tensa area under Barsua Iron Mines. Elocution competition in Odia and Hindi language was conducted in Ispat High School Barsua and Ispat High School Tensa. A total of 35 students participated from both the schools and also from DAV Tensa and Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, Barsua Valley. It is worth mentioning here that as India is celebrating 75 years of independence, as the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Government of India has declared the birthday of Shahid Veer Birsa Munda as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, the day dedicated to the tribal freedom fighters. The objective of the competition was to instill the value of contribution of these brave tribal freedom fighters among the students. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and on the birth anniversary of one of the great son of the soil of Orissa, Navakrishna Chaudhary, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant pays tribute to this great freedom fighter who served as Chief Minister of the Indian state of Orissa from 1950 to 1956. Navakrishna Chaudhary was born on 23rd November 1901 in a landlord family of Kerash village in Jagatsinghpur district of Orissa. Trained in Sabarmati Ashram and graduated from Shantiniketan, he participated in the freedom movement. He has been imprisoned for several times for taking part in the freedom struggle. Younger brother of noted freedom fighter Gopabandhu Chaudhary was a true embodiment of Gandhian ideology and principles. He had been instrumental in taking up Gandhian constructive programs in Orissa. He was elected to the Legislative Assembly in the year 1937. In 1946, he held the position of Finance Minister in Hare Krishna Mahatab Ministry. He served as Chief Minister of the Indian state of Orissa from 1950 to 1956. He was a progressive Chief Minister. Some of his historic works include the first 5-year plan for Orissa 1950 to 1956, the removal of landlord system, the law to make Odia language the official language, establishment of the Agricultural University, Baji Raut Hostel for the students and many other laws to help the people. The famous Hirakud Dam was constructed during his chief ministership. The Champati Munda Jeevan Vidyalaya and the Navajeevan Mandal are the two organizations set by him for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe students. Throughout his life, he struggled against corruption and exploitation. This great leader breathed his last following a massive heart attack on 24th June 1984. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.